mini season 2023. We got Steve on the boat with us today.
Yo, yo.
And we are out here in like 15 feet of water, and it's not mini season yet. We're just scouting. So we're just gonna swim around today. We're gonna try to find some lobsters. We got our spear guns, so if we see a hogfish, we're gonna shoot it. But hopefully we can find the lobster so we can have a good mini season. Let's hop in and look at the reef. Whatever works. Do you think he's 24? Probably, yeah. I think so, maybe. He's in there though, I see him. Yeah. Whoa. I left my flashlight on the boat, but he's down there 100% in that hole. I'm gonna look from the other side. Oh, he's so dead. Okay, he like went under there. Nice! One down, buddy! Yeah! Got him! There's so much muck. I feel like we gotta let it settle for a second. Yeah. Well, it shouldn't be deep where the fish are. Shot a red grouper. All right. Oh my God. Yeah. I got him on here. Yeah, that's a good one. I love yellowjack.
Oh, baby. Woo-wee.
Yeah, hold those suckers up. Woo-wee.
Good dinner, some good sashimi.
We're back at the dock. We got good old Captain Elliot excited for some fish, and I want to cook up something super delicious. I'm not sure what yet. Actually, let me grab my glove. Ah, yes, this guy right here. It's a lot easier to fillet a fish when you got a glove on, because fish are slippery. Let's not forget that. Had a pretty good day yesterday. Shot a black grouper right off the bat that Steve found. I shot that yellowjack right off the shark when the shark came in. That is a big boy. Elliot, look what I got, buddy. Look, I bring a peace offering. Oh ho ho, he's happy kitty. Yeah, let me fillet him up for you. I want to cook up something real fancy for you guys. I'm not sure what yet, but I'm going to be doing some thinking. I'm gonna come up with something. And I got the big Dexter knife today. This is a long skinny blade. I don't really like the skinny blades too much because they're kind of flimsy, and I just feel like, I don't know, I like a thick sturdy knife, but I'm gonna give it a try. It is a sharp one. Another great thing about the yellowjack is they are very easy to fillet. The hardest part about them is this like little bone right here. It's about this big, and your knife will not want to go through it. If you have a sturdy knife, you can cut through it, but it could kind of dull up your blade, so I kind of just go under it like that. Actually, you want your knife to point the other way. Then you can kind of slide through it like that. Elliot's down there just begging me right now for some fish. You know what? Let's give him a fresh piece. Let's give him a real nice fresh piece. Hold on, buddy. I'll give you a piece in just a second. Excuse me, Elliot. What are you doing on the fillet table? How'd you get up here? You got some ups. I left a little tiny bit of meat on the body. Still not really used to this knife, but nothing goes to waste. I'll just shave it off like this. Chop it up. Okay. Wow, look at that. Elliot, come here. Come on. Oh, you jumped right into it. You ever seen a cat jump face first into its food? Oh yeah, that's a happy kitty. Now I do not want to let this piece of meat touch the fillet table. We're going to want to trim this bloodline off of it, but I'm going to do that in the kitchen later on a nice clean surface. There's a bird. You hear that bird? Elliot, you're going to let him talk to you like that, buddy? Have some more fish. Okay, there's a bird that's yelling at us. Nice, delicious black grouper. Grouper has a very nice white meat. Very delicious. You can see where we shot it, so there's kind of this hole here. So might need to trim that out. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful white meat. I'm actually gonna lay this guy on some paper towels. My what, Stains?
Your dope Bilsteins. Good meat right there.
Yeah.
Just shave that off and right there, and that's perfect.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Boom, boom. I haven't had wine in a while.
Well, we have so much because Michelle wasn't drinking when she was pregnant. We still had so much wine, so now we're just moving $8 bottles of wine.
Oh, so you're like, might as well drink them.
That's what I thought last night. It was a bad idea, but
That's funny.
nice shirt.
We didn't even weigh a fish in. We got a nice bag of black grouper and yellow-tailed jack, and we're gonna make a Margaritaville inspired mango habanero, like blackened grouper with mango habanero sauce on a Kaiser roll. I'm so excited to eat, but first, you know, we got some guests coming for mini season, so I'm actually gonna take the boat out again, and I'm going to look for some big grass ledges that hopefully have a lot of lobster under them. We found some scattered lobsters up north, but they weren't as thick as I was hoping. So I'm gonna grab my GoPro, I'm gonna take my boat out on a little solo run before we cook dinner. Let's see what we find, and then we're gonna cook up the grouper. Yeah, all right, thank you. Let's see what we can find down here. Oh, the water is so nice. All right, let's around. You guys see this smile on my face? We found the lobster. There, man, oh gosh, I found a ledge. You know, the first spot we went to, there wasn't that many lobster. I saw like one or two. The second spot, there was a couple lobster. And then I started to find the ledges where the sand meets the grass. Holy smokes, loaded with lobsters. So I feel really good. It's like a big weight off my shoulder when I find the lobsters, because all my friends coming into town to go lobstering with me, their expectations are up here, you know? They're like, we're going with South Florida Fishing Channel. We're gonna limit out in 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm over here like, right, sure, yeah, All right, let's cook up. This is our black grouper. You can see the hole in the fillet where I shot it. I'm gonna cut it into maybe 3 nice pieces. We're gonna melt some butter. We're gonna use the South Florida Fishing Channel blackening season. We're gonna make some blackened grouper fillets. We're gonna put it on a Kaiser roll. These guys right here. Oh, this is gonna be a good sandwich. So let's get to it. All right. There we go. We have ourselves 3 beautiful pieces that we're gonna take our blackening seasoning. And with blackening, you know, you don't wanna go too light on the seasoning, because that's the whole point of blackening them, is we want a nice seasoned grouper. Oh, bullocks, I can already taste it. It's so good. Remember, we make our seasonings right here in Florida. They're blended in Florida, packaged and shipped out of Florida. The finest ingredients that you're gonna find. So if you want to support the channel, go to southfloridafishingchannel.com. Go get yourself some blackening. We also have 5 other amazing flavors. Ready for the pan. All right, it's looking good. Time to flip. Oh, Damn, that's blackened. That's like blackened. That's good though. Woo wee! All right, bring it on. I swear, that looks blacker on camera than it does in real life. It's not burnt, it's blackened. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Of course, the skinny small piece is done first. And if you take your fork and you push it through the fish, there's a little hardness inside of these two still. So they need a little bit longer, but this piece over here is done, ready to go. We have our beautiful Kaiser roll. We'll smack on a piece of American cheese. High quality cheese, of course. Don't use anything low quality now. We'll slap on our piece of grouper, blackened grouper. And then we got our peach habanero Margaritaville. Woo, that smells, holy smokes, that smells really good. Give it a little zing. We'll just lay that right on top. And then we got ourselves a nice piece of lettuce that we will, or what is this? Romaine. We got a nice piece of romaine that we'll put on the top bun, and then they will come together to create the perfect grouper sandwich. I am so stoked for mini season this year. And I am even more stoked, actually not more stoked, equally stoked to try this grouper mango habanero Margaritaville sandwich here. I'm so hungry, let's just dive into it. There's something about swimming around in the ocean that makes you so hungry. Oh my gosh. That grouper is so delicious. I'm going to take a piece of grouper right out of the pan. White, blackened. Yeah, it's like white and flaky with like a crusty blackened outside, but on the inside it's moist and white. That is premium. Oh, look at that hot, steamy piece of grouper. I'm gonna put that on the rest of my sandwich, so I got extra grouper. Oh yeah, that is extra grouper thick. Woo, hot. I can't get over how delicious this is. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm wearing the Adrenaline Rush Adventure shirt. This is the catfish noodling video that we did, the last video. If you haven't seen that video, you gotta go watch it, the catfish noodling video. There's actually 2 of them, but oh, I just let me finish this. It's so good. I just gotta finish it. Wow, baby mama drama. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Come on down to the Florida Keys, get yourself a grouper, make yourself a grouper sandwich. If you can't make it down here for mini season, don't worry. You can hit the subscribe button and you can watch our mini season lobstering video, which is gonna be the next video I post on this channel. But thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you guys on the very next episode. Cheers.